Hi, today we will teach you how to solve compound interest. We prepare one question for you. Suppose Mr. Kupal has 10,000 that she invests in an account that pays 3.5 interest compounded monthly. How much does Karen have at the end of 2 years? This will be your formula. Let's lock out every letter of each formula. A. Represent the amount of money after a certain amount of time. P. Represent the principal or the amount of money you start with. R. Represent the interest rate and is always represented as a decimal. D. Represent the amount of time in years. N is the number of times interest is compounded in 1 year. For example, if interest is compounded annually, then N is equals to 1. If interest is compounded quarterly, then N is equals to 4. If interest is compounded monthly, then N is equals to 12. The 10,000 is the amount being invested, or P. The interest rate is 3.5, which must be changed into a decimal and becomes R is equals to 0.035. The interest is compounded monthly, or 12 per years, which tell us that N is equals to 12. The money will stay in the account for 2 years, so T is equals to 2. We have values of 4 of the variables. We can use this information to solve for A. A is equals to P 1 plus R over N over and raised to N over T. Let us substitute the given numbers to the formula, and we can solve. So the answer here will be 10,723 and 99 pesos. So after 2 years, the account is worth 10,723 and 99 pesos because we are dealing with money in this problem. It makes sense around two decimal places. Notice that the formula gives us the total value of the account at the end of the 5-year. This is not just the interest amount, it is the total amount since there are many variables in the equation. There are several ways that problems can be presented. Thank you.